Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss internet with its meaning, definition and diagram also. Internet. As we know, internet is a network of networks. Just remember this definition. An internet is a network of networks. It is also called internetwork. Internet is called internetwork or internet in short. Where network is collection of computers, so it is also called computer network. So we can say an internet is a vast computer network of many different computer networks existing in the world. Through an internet connection, we can communicate with any other person over internet throughout the world. Okay. Here is one more topic, ISP. Internet service is provided in India by many companies as BSNL, Bharti Sanchar Nigam Limited, Reliance, Bharti Telecom and MTNL. The companies who provides internet services are called ISP. That's called internet service provider. So what is ISP? ISP stands for internet service provider. Simply it means the companies which provide internet services is called ISP, and these companies are BSNL, Reliance, Bharti Telecom and MTNL. This is all about internet and ISP, the meaning of both internet and ISP. Let's see the diagram of internet. Here is the diagram of internet. In this diagram we can see the representation of networks. Here is first network 1. In this here are 5 computers which are connected with each other, so it is network 1. Similarly we have constructed network 2. Similarly we have constructed network 3, network 4. Similarly we have constructed network 5. All these networks, network 1, network 2, network 3, network 4 are connected with a one full network 5. So that's called network of networks, means बहुत सारे networks का एक network, that's internetwork or internet. So here network 1, 2, 3, 4 are connected with one network 5. That's called network of all the total networks, that's internet. Okay, so this is all about internet and ISP. I will further continue this. Here is internet continuation. In this, other things of related with internet are also written, which we also know. It's a very basic topic. Any individual or organization can open an account with any ISP. Okay, any organization can open account with ISP who will give an account number for a monthly or yearly fee. Then the user may have access to internet. It is about ISP कि कोई भी person ISP के साथ अपना account open कर सकते हैं with a monthly fee. Then user may have access to internet. For this, the user needs to have PC और laptop. उसके लिए आपको PC और laptop चाहिए, and internet connecting device such as modem. Modem stands for modular, demodular or broadband connection like telephone line, Wi-Fi, wireless fidelity. So any type of connection you can have, wireless or wired, also any PC or laptop with any internet connecting device. For using internet, a user has to access www. Yes, I have told, for accessing internet we must have www or web, we can say web 3. It is a medium for reaching internet. I have already discussed www. Internet has many services and facilities for reaching and using these services and facilities. www is needed. Okay, same I have discussed in www. So it is an architecture framework for information system on internet. Everything on internet has a word www or web, such as web pages, websites, web browser, web server. So here are names of some web browser like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, UC browser. Some websites are also here. The meaning of website is, it is a collection of web pages. It is written in HTTP hypertext transfer protocol : //2/www.google.co.in. Here in stands for India. It's a domain name. According to domain, there are particular website like .in, .edu, .co.com, etc. Sometimes HTTPS is also written. I have also discussed. It is Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. In your class I have discussed Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So here is the definition of connecting device. Modem is a connecting or communication device used for getting internet connection. It stands for modulator and demodulator. It converts digital signals into analog signals and analog signals back in digital signals. Okay. Here are search engines also. As we know, there are two search engines, Google and Yahoo. Also, internet services are given here. I will discuss internet service tomorrow. Okay. It's a very small topic, so I am discussing today internet services. Here are uses or services or advantages of internet. So every time in every day we use internet for many tasks. So you can write any type of services like online healthcare service, online communication or chatting, online games, online shopping, or we can say e-commerce, electronic commerce or online business, e-banking or net banking, online teaching, e-learning or distance learning, business networking and communication, online audio and songs, online video and movies, online reservation or ticket booking, internet service, online TV shows as cricket or news, online social networking websites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, online interview, online exams, online cooking, online customer interaction, online job portals like examples are here: www.naukri.com, www.freshersworld.com, www.jobtech.com, www.shine.com, www.monster.com. Add www before every website. For information gathering, you can take any data or information on any topic from internet. Online quiz, for online quiz, online riddles. Riddles means paheli. Teleconferencing or video conferencing. Tele means distance chatting, means only writing, text type of chatting. Video conferencing, there is audio, video, text or etc. is possible. Online payment or e-billing, online yoga, and finally 25th point is email, electronic mail, it's online letter. So in the last video I will discuss about email. For today I have discussed internet services and ISP. So just remember them, these are very basic topics and important too. So just practice them, learn them. Thank you for listening me.